It is almost 6, 5:45. And yeah, so what I did today, this is definitely worth more than $35 an hour. So I just talked to TechMate and advised them the scope of work was outside of what they told me to. And now they bumped my pay up to $50 an hour. So for $50 times the 8 hours I was here today, it's $400. All right. So we are on Hello Tech website. So I'm going to show you where I went and find these on-demand tech type jobs like I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to show you later on. So on Hello Tech and home support, home theater, computers, Wi-Fi, networking. I'm going to be doing some of these things and they can call you up same day. So pretty much what they do with this one is more app-based. They send you the jobs in the app, and then they may call you if it's kind of more urgent. And then the other company, TechMate, is pretty much more job-based. You have to actually go to Indeed, go to Glassdoor, and find those, kind of one-off jobs. But once you're in their system, TechMate, you can go to techmate.com, get into their system, and they'll kind of call you when they have jobs in the area. But for Hello Tech, like I said, it's app-based. Once you sign up, you're gonna get put on a wait list, and then somebody will contact you to finish up the application process. May have to take some tests and everything before you get started. But could become a technician. You on these websites, you always come down to the bottom. Become a technician right down here at the bottom. Join Hello Tech, great money, $100 a day. Set your own schedules, join tech community. So you get paid twice a week, on average $100 a day. Like I said, most of them like $30, $40 an hour per job. Most jobs are 2 or 3 hours. How does it work? Complete application, choose your area expertise, and then they'll give you, like I said, a skill assessment test, proof of insurance if you driving. But like I said, you can do this with taking public transportation. You know what I mean? So, but they probably prefer people with their own vehicles to get there faster and more reliable. But like I said, this one is not car dependent. You just based on your skill set. So once you get started, like I said, they ask you the basic information first, and then you go through a preliminary. Once you sign up for that, then they'll send you an email and for a link, fill out the rest of the information, kind of go over your skill set, what you're trying to do. And then after that, they will send you the assessment test to kind of break down and make sure you really do know what you need to know to get this done. All right. So that's Hello Tech. Now I'm going to actually show you, what I'll be doing today. I'm going to leave a link to the other video I did for the long-term contract I had with TechMate. But going forward, I'm just going to show you the day-to-day as a serial entrepreneur. How I get to the bag, how I get to the money. I'm not just a gig economy driver, but I am a gig, I guess, not a gig driver, but a gig economy worker. You know what I mean? I do everything gig related, business related, anything. So let's get to it. Next video, you'll see me working, and then we'll finish this video out, vlog day 2, and see if I can get up to that $500 range. As well, I'm still going to be doing some day trading on my cell phone. I do have a Amazon call that I held from yesterday. Not sure you can see that Amazon call. It's blurry. But I got an Amazon call and I'm holding from yesterday. So, this is called swing trading, when you hold stocks for a week or two. So, stocks was kind of went down towards the end of the day, and then it started going back up. So I'm guessing that today the market will be green, at least at open. So for the first 10-20 minutes, the market should be shooting up, and that's why I'm basing my option to do a call. Call means it's going up, so I'm going to be going up on this call as well, and hopefully you can get to the $102 mark. So if you pay attention on March 30th, Thursday, March 30th, and check the price where Amazon is at open, and then hopefully you can get to over $102. If it does, then I should be able to make $200. And I will show you, hopefully I can show you all that. A lot of times I forget to take screenshots before I close out, but I'm trying to get better at that, be more just transparent with you guys. All right, later. All right, so I got cleaned up. I dressed up, about to go into this office building with the Hello Tech on-demand tech repair gig I'm running today. And I closed out my Amazon trade at 102, so I made about 70 bucks. I saw the market trying to dart back the other way, so I went ahead and closed that trade out. Might have lost, well, I didn't lose money, but probably could have made more money. It's probably gonna run back up, but I didn't have time to monitor the trades because I got some more money to make. Some guaranteed money to make. So we in the building. I'm gonna show you guys, morning. I'm gonna show you guys what's this tech situation is all about, what I'm repairing. Probably gonna be doing some networking, connecting a server, connecting a rack here. I believe it's the 15th floor. I've been to this office once before to initially set up their servers and some of their office equipment and network some printers and some things like that. Real light work on the IT side, not real serious, but the network engineering part was. I think I should be pay a little bit more, but we're here. Let's go on in. Not sure what they're gonna let me show you guys, but we'll chip in. All right, so we are in this thing. This is the server room. I gotta install some things in here. Y'all know about networking equipment, IT. You know this is a server, switches, router. Patch cabling, firewall, and battery backup units. Whew. Still working. Got these two devices installed. Now I just gotta plug everything up, hide the wires, this little cable management. But it's coming along. It is 12:30. Got here at 10:30. 2 hours. And I still think I got one more machine to hook up. So yeah, it look like we're gonna be here all 5 hours on this one today. But it's good money, baby. We still here installing cameras now to the network equipment. Got my network camera set up here, and looking at you guys. Try to break into the server room. We got it pointing at the door right there, and we got the other one there in the corner right there. Where is it? Right there. In the corner, putting in work in. Why? And we ain't just driving around there. Well, transporting, carrying gigs. We fixing stuff. We out here, baby. Boss up. Ooh, boy, it's a long day, man. Started here at 10 o'clock. It is almost 6:45. And yeah, so what I did today, this is definitely worth more than $35 an hour. So I just talked to TechMate and advised them the scope of work was outside of what they told me to. And now they bumped my pay up to $50 $50 an hour. So for $50 times the 8 hours I was here today, it's $400. Plus the 70 I made trading, I'm at 470 today, guys. I almost hit my $500 a day goal. Probably sold some things online, probably made some money off some crypto, so I probably hit it, probably didn't, but I do have to actually come back out here on next Tuesday because I had to set up some more things I had to look for internally. So that's going to be that. So we wrapping up here. Make sure I didn't leave anything. Go in these folk refrigerator. What do you folks got in here? Get one of these. Ever had these? Or these? This is definitely some white folks. All right. All up in these folks. Folks got some good snacks. All right, so we're gonna get up out of here. All right, yeah, so Kenny said I can come back on Tuesday.
Okay, cool.
Yep. So just, I'll be probably same time, 10 o'clock. Give everybody time to get in and settle and everything. All right?
I'll be here.
Be here and ready. Any baby showers going on? All right, so you always got to make a little small talk. You know? All right, so till next time, man. Boss up with your boy K. Blackman Daily Vlog. 500 a day, baby.